welcome to the Millie Life. My name is Danielle. I am the owner of the Millie Life and the Millie Life YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm so freaking pumped that you are here. If you are new here, I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday and new exercise videos every Friday. Click that red subscribe button, click that bell so you do not miss out. If you want more of the Millie Life, you can follow us on all of the social medias at the Millie Life. It's all one word. Don't put those spaces in there. Would love to have you. And as always, I've got all my gear in the description section below. Get your Millie Life apparel today. We've got stickers, t-shirts, tank tops, and then tag us in it. Would love to see you guys rocking your gear. Today, this is for my YouTube vloggers out there, my motorcycle vloggers out there. Let's go. So I've been vlogging for about a year now, and maybe a little less than a year, because I would just do YouTube videos and talk to the phone and then have some clips of me riding. And then I started vlogging, which is a whole new ballgame. Do any of you that vlog, specifically motorcycle vlogging, feel like it takes forever to get ready to go? Like, I feel like I'm out by the bike for 10-15 minutes getting all my gear on before I can actually start to vlog. And I think I would vlog more and store up more content if it didn't take me so freaking long to get ready. Does anybody else feel that way out there? So I've got my microphone that I hook into my helmet, and then I run the wire down my shirt and into the recorder goes into my pocket. We're turning in a mile here. So then I put my jacket on, and then I put the GoPro chest mount on over it, screw that all in. Then I get now my handlebar GoPro, that all set up. I turn both of the GoPros on. Get the recorder going, get my gloves on, turn the bike on. I do my 3 claps. If you do not know about the 3 claps, this is huge. To help sync up your audio and your video, doing 3 claps in front of the cameras, or however many claps you want, is super helpful. Otherwise, trying to do that without is it's a struggle for sure. So try that out. Let me know what you think, or leave any other helpful tips on how you sync up your audio and your videos. So I feel like this takes forever. Sometimes I forget to latch my helmet. Sometimes I forget to latch my gloves. I just feel like a hot mess express getting ready to vlog. And yeah, so I want to know, like, any tips and tricks that you guys have out there. Do you feel like it takes forever, or have you established a method to the madness to get ready and just vlog? I've thought about the helmet mount, but for some reason that just scares me to like drill something onto my helmet. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you don't have to drill. Maybe it's just like the 3M tape, but then it's like, shit, like, does that stay? Like, when you're moving 65, 75, maybe even a little faster than that, does that stay? I want to hear from you guys. All in all, I wouldn't change the experience. It's just a part of the learning process. I used to just use my Senna and record audio into there directly onto my phone. If you listen to any of my early vlogs, the audio was terrible. And I would spend hours just like thinking that there was some way in Adobe Premiere that I could make it sound better. And until I invested in a microphone, which I've got the H1N1 and the Panda mic, and I'll link those below for you guys. I love them. I don't have to do a ton of editing to my audio. I usually, do noise reduction and maybe a couple of other things to it, but it's not this huge, big ordeal. Man, I used to spend forever editing my videos. And I'll give myself grace in the fact that I was learning, right? And I wanted it to be really well done. And it wasn't. But that's just part of the process. Yeah, but then you feel like such a spaz because like you get all the gear on, right? You get all ready to go and like your helmet's undone. Or your jacket's not zipped. There's been plenty of times that the recorder wasn't actually recording. So I'd have to go back and do voiceovers over the footage. Lots of little nuances that you don't anticipate or think of. But you do get into a groove, you do get into a pattern, and maybe that's where I'm at with getting all my gear on, that it will become easier, it will become a routine, and it won't feel like it's taking forever. Because I remember, like, I did a video on how to get dressed on your motorcycle, and that may seem silly to some of you, but seriously, I felt like Matt was getting his gear on and going so quick, and I'd be sitting there taking forever, still getting my bike warmed up. But now I don't feel that way as much, and yeah, I guess it comes with time. So leave it below. What are your tips and tricks for vlogging, for using multiple pieces of equipment, cameras, recorder, microphone? Do you have a method to your madness? Tips and suggestions for others? Leave it all in the comments below. And guess what, guys? We're gonna do another giveaway. Woohoo! So, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, we have the Millie Life apparel on sale and available. Today, if you comment below, we are giving away a Millie Life sticker. Okay? We'll do a week out from when this video posts. At 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when that giveaway will close. I'll do a random comment selection, and you will be receiving one of my Millie Life stickers. You can put it on your helmet, you can put it on your laptop, water bottle, wherever you put your stickers. And then, of course, please tag us in it. I want to see it. I want to post it on my social media. I love this community, and I love the support that you guys offer and give. So that's going to be it for today. Give me all your tips and tricks on vlogging and getting ready to vlog, and just happy to have you guys here. So until next time, my name is Danielle. This is the Millie Life. You guys rock. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.